Welcome back everyone. In this video we're going to be using Ableton Live and a really cool Max for Live device to create an endless generating melodic soundscape that sounds like this. Okay, so here we are in Ableton Live. The first thing we want to do is add a meld device. We're going to turn off engine B, so we're just using the one audio engine. Then we're going to come to Max for Live devices and insert a Bouncy Notes. We're going to build a couple of walls at the bottom here so we don't get too much bottom end. And then we're going to build a wall at the top end so we don't get too much top end. If you're not sure how to use Bouncy Notes, I've done another video about it, which I'll link at the end of this one. Okay, we're going to set the random direction to about 60. We're going to go to quantize and set that to quarter notes. Next we go to MIDI effects and insert a scale device. You can set this to match your project. I'm just going to put it on F minor pentatonic. We're back to Bouncy Notes and we're going to select Auto. Now as soon as you press a key, this is going to start generating notes and they're going to quantize to quarter notes. And all those notes will conform to that scale, that F minor pentatonic scale. Okay, let's come over to the meld and adjust the envelope here. Go into settings and set that glide to 300. Now we want to change the shape here. So go into the matrix and we're going to assign LFO1 to affect that shape. So that's oscillator macro 1. Turn off the retrigger and change the LFO waveform to wander. Now let's adjust that shape a little bit, just to make that effect a little bit more prominent. Okay, next we're going to add some audio effects. First of all, we're going to add an echo. We're going to add some reverb, about 30%, and then we're going to click this little arrow here to open up the filter. Add some resonance to the bottom end, some resonance to the top end, and then we're going to go to modulation, put the filter mod on about 80, turn off sync, and then turn the rate down a little bit. That's going to add some randomization to the filter of those delays. And finally, we're going to add a good old reverb. Turn the decay up. Activate that low pass and put that on about 200 Hz to get rid of any mud. Set the dry wet to just below half. And there it is. So as long as that auto is engaged, that'll just keep generating like that.